Let me see you go back. Let me see you come forward. Now let me see you go back. Let me see you come forward. Let me see you go back.
Hey guys, my name is Sharice. If you are new, if you're not new, thank you for watching another video. So today's video is a first impression Friday, but it is also my third video in my little 8 days, 8 videos situation challenge series. I don't know what to call it. So basically I wanted to upload a video every day leading up to my birthday on August 8th. So 8 days, 8 videos. So today's little first impression is going to be on this Target sponge, makeup sponge. This was in the dollar spot for a whole $1, and I'm excited to see if this works. This is what it looks like. It feels like soft and squishy, and I do enjoy the color. If you've been with me for a while, you know that the black Beauty Blender is like my all-time favorite sponge to use. I haven't purchased one of those in a while though, and then after that I really enjoyed the Tarte Quickie sponge, the purple sponge. It's $16, and then currently I'm using the, I don't have it in here with me, but I'm using the I'm using the highlight and contour sponge. It's red and it's $7. I'm using that one, and I enjoy that one as well. So I'm interested to see if this little dollar sponge will, you know, hold its own against my favorite sponges. I didn't mention Real Techniques one because I really cannot stand the Real Techniques sponges. I just sprayed like a little bit of the Smashbox primer water. This is, I'm gonna need more in my life. So anyway, I just went and washed the sponge, and like it really does feel nice and soft, y'all. And the color from the sponge didn't run. I had the pink Beauty Blender once upon a time, and every time I washed that sponge, that pink ran out of it, and this like yellow lime color stayed there. So let's get to applying the makeup. So I'm using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation. I'm in the shade 368, and let's do this. After this, I was going to go pick up some food and film a the name has lost me. A mukbang? But my husband actually wants to go to the restaurant, which is very surprising. He's never been there. Anytime he's eaten that, it's because I've gone and like picked it up. I usually eat there with friends and stuff. So yeah. Oh, let me bring my mirror closer, y'all. Y'all. Target might have just done something. What the hell? I feel like this is blending beautifully. Like, I feel like my makeup looks fucking flawless right now. What? Now, do I feel like it might be soaking up some of the product? Yes, definitely. I still feel like... So this is what my face looks like with one layer of the foundation on with this sponge. I feel like my foundation looks pretty decent. I will say the one thing that I'm not really liking with this is that I feel like it's drying out faster than like my other makeup sponges. So I'm just gonna re-wet that real quick, and let's try this out with concealer. So I'm using my Sephora gel serum something, Bright Future gel serum concealer. I have it in the shade Ganache. Pretty sure I said in one of my videos that I got this from Sephora. It was on clearance for $7. And yeah, I really do enjoy this concealer. I do feel like maybe this color is a little too red for me. I don't know. But I did want a lighter, or not a lighter, a darker concealer, because I'm trying to kind of stay away from the too bright concealer situation. So yeah, let's go ahead and see how this works on concealer. I feel like the sponge is like decent. Ooh, there's something going on right here. I really feel like the sponge is doing a damn thing. Another sponge I want to try out is the not the Japonesque. I've already tried the Japonesque sponge. There's a video somewhere on my channel of me trying out that sponge and giving it away. What is the other? Sony. I want to try the Sony sponge they have at Target. It's like $7, or you can get, I think you can get a pack of 2 for $10 or something like that. So yeah, that might be the next sponge that I try, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for Target to do their little I don't think I like it for my concealer. I feel like it mostly took the concealer away. But anyway, I'm gonna wait for Target to do their little beauty deal. But what I was saying was, I think I'm gonna wait until Target does their little beauty deal. Occasionally Target does like get back $5 gift card when you spend like $15 or $20. I'm just gonna wait until then. Today, to set my concealer, I'm using my Sacha Buttercup powder. Y'all, I have not used this powder in so long. Like, I haven't used this powder since, what is that video I did? I think it was like the Laura Mercier versus Sacha Buttercup. I haven't used the powder since then. So I wanted to see, you know, if I retried it, how I would feel about it. My fan is on, so literally the powder is just leaving. Oh, too much. Ooh. Oh, too much. Hey guys, so I'm back. Obviously my makeup is completed or done, whatever the word is. Before I get into my thoughts on the sponge though, has anyone used this NYX Matte Finish setting spray? I feel like as soon as, I don't know how I look on camera, but in person, I feel like I look old. And it's this, because the last few times I've used this, I feel like I've instantly looked dry. Like, I understand the point is to be matte, but like I'm actually dry, like I'm creasing already. I just look hella texture. I don't know, whatever. Y'all not here for that. Y'all are here for this. So I do like the sponge for my foundation. I don't like the sponge for my concealer. I did go wash the sponge so I could see how well it cleaned, or if it got stained, and it's obviously stained, so it's like my Real Technique sponge, just So but this is $1, so I feel like that's not that bad. Would I recommend this? I would say yes, especially since it is only $1. Like, you're only missing out on $1 if you end up hating this, you know what I mean? I would, or I could see myself using this sponge or taking this sponge with me if I'm going out of town for like the night or a weekend or something like that, because I don't know about you guys, but I hate going out of town and like taking my makeup sponges with me and just feeling like they're wet as fuck. Where the hell am I gonna like dry them off at, or dry them at? Like, how am I gonna store them? Stuff like that. This, I wouldn't care about, like, if I lost it when I'm out of town, or if I'm like, it's still hella wet, I don't want to like take this with me in my makeup bag, throwing it away. Right. But yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think about this sponge down below, especially if you have tried it. Let me know if you do want to see a mukbang on my channel. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna like eat some noodles and dumplings and talk shit. I'm pretty good at talking shit. Subscribe if you aren't already. Give me a thumbs up so more people can see my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Maybe watch some videos. Watch some of these videos. Bye.